In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to bulk edit prices in Shopify, a useful trick for quickly updating product costs across your entire online store. So, let's jump straight into it. First off, we need to access your product catalog. To do this, start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section. What you will see next is a list of all your products. This is where you can manage all the items on your Shopify store, adding new ones, updating existing ones, even deleting items if necessary. But we're focusing on price editing, so let's move on to that. The next step is to choose the products whose prices you want to alter. You'll see a series of checkboxes next to every product on your list. To select a product, simply click the box next to that item. Want to edit more than one item? No problem. Just tick as many boxes as needed. However, if you're wanting to filter and select a specific list of products, that's also possible. For example, if you would like to only change the price of your t-shirts, just filter your products and select only those. Once you have selected the products you want to edit, look out for the Bulk Edit button and click on it. This button normally rests on the top of the product list, and its role becomes crucial at this juncture. Clicking on this button will open up a new editor section, and this is the control hub where you'll perform the main task of price editing. Within this new editor section, what you need to do is find and select the Price column. This column contains the current price details of all the selected products. If you're intending to set sale prices as well, make sure to also find and select the Compare at Price column. Now comes the easy part: actually editing the prices. To do this, you simply have to click on the price cell corresponding to your product and input the new price. The same procedure applies to the Compare at Price if you've selected that. After you've put in all the adequate changes and you're satisfied with the new prices, the last step is to save the changes. You'll see a Save button, often in the top right-hand corner of the page or at the bottom of the page. Hit that button and voila! Your changes are applied. In conclusion, bulk editing the prices in the Shopify store is quite straightforward. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently update your product prices to reflect any changes in your business strategy. Your online store will ever be up to date efficiently and hustle-free with this bulk price editing feature. Now, upgrading your online Shopify store according to your needs is just a few clicks away.